absurd, but it's actually not, because in the last 10 years, what have we been doing? We've been communicating with faceless bubbles on the screen.
So I found the Mudita booth, and this is Olga. Pardon me.
No, that's Olga. I'm Ursula.
Is here to talk me through the Mudita lineup. You may remember I reviewed the Mudita Kompakt. I've never seen the white one though. This is really nice. Do you want to talk me through what you're exhibiting today?
So we've got all our phones and our alarm clocks here. This is mine with my pink case. So we are showing the Mudita Kompakt over here, which is a minimalist e-ink phone. It is designed for digital minimalism and well-being in mind. People scroll way too much. We want people to be more present in their lives and be more grounded and be more focused.
Absolutely. And I remember my review of this, I was walking in the woods with it, and it was just, you've got all you need really. You've got a phone if you need to be contacted. You've got an MP3 player. You can put your podcast on it if you want, or you can have music, You can put your books on it. You can sideload apps if you need to. One of my favorite things that I do with it is actually I sideload audiobooks on it. Absolutely.
I listen to my audiobooks. It takes amazing pictures, actually. People don't think about it that way, but it does take really good pictures. When they are on the screen, they're black and white, but when you send them or download them from the computer, they are actually quite nice.
And what I really like as well is that you get all these cards, not just
I wrote.
in the pack.
I wrote.
Oh, really?
I wrote them.
Oh, well done.
I wrote them.
But they're on the phone as well, aren't they?
Yeah, I wrote them.
And I just think it's like, well, in a space like this, come to IFA and it's like everything's robot girlfriends and, like companionship with AI.
Yeah, we're not robot girlfriends, no.
Very loud tech everywhere. Very, screens the size of buildings.
But I think people are slowly starting to see that this digital world is taking us away from what it means to be human. And at some point, they need to leave the house and touch grass. But they still want to be connected. They still want to be able to make phone calls. They still want to be able to use technology. And we are all about the idea that we're not anti-technology. I like technology, but I don't want to be tethered to it. I don't want to be constantly in front of a screen. I want to have a life. I want to be able to be in touch with my friends, take pictures. But I also want to be able to go outside and experience life and have human connections. And we've forgotten what it is like to be bored. No, we don't want to be bored anymore. Yeah. But the thing is that's part of being human. Boredom allows us to be creative and to think about it. And the minute, if you watch people, the minute they are where they have to stand in line, whether it's at a grocery store or somewhere else, the phone comes out and they're scrolling, and they cannot be alone with their thoughts, which is really, really, it's really pretty sad.
Yeah, absolutely. And what I like about the Mudita is almost just the sound it makes, and when I hear it go off, when I hear the phone call, I'm like, what is that lovely noise? It's so thoughtful. It's not jarring you out of your space to think. It's just it's really nicely put together, really thoughtfully put together device. And for instance, the bong that goes when you start a meditation mode on it, it's just actually it's really carefully designed. The feel of the back and everything, I really do like it. I haven't seen any of your alarm clocks before, and I'm quite excited.
No, the alarm clocks are fantastic.
Can you play a sound on it for us? Yeah, Mountain Lagoon. There we go. That's what I want to wake up to.
Mountain Lagoon.
Yeah, it sounds good. Charming bells. Yeah. There's so many competing sounds here.
There we go.
There we go. Just carefully put together things, and you don't actually need one with an e-ink screen. You can also get one with a standard clock screen as well. So
I actually have this one in my bedroom, but this one I have on my desk because it does have colors of noise, different noise colors. So if there's something background noise that you want to zone out to, you can put this on. But one of my favorite things to do in it is to put long form articles on it.
Really? You can do
And
that?
while I'm doing something, I'm listening to a long form article or an audiobook or a podcast, you can do that. And it has also a focus timer, which is based on the Pomodoro technique.
Yeah, okay,
so
great.
it's actually really, really cool. Let's see here.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, 25 minutes and then 5 minutes off and then get on it. Yeah, I love that.
We also have our watches.
Oh, I didn't know you did.
Yeah, we did watches. All our watches are automatic, so no battery required.
Oh, wow.
So this is the Moment, and this is the Moment NR, which has the numbers.
It's really pretty. Yeah, lovely. And lots of people need a watch with a second hand as well, which is really nice.
And then we have also the Mudita Moment, like the original one that's very minimalistic. It does not have the numbers. So, and now we also have the Element, which is like a thin Swiss business watch, which is, it's really nicely underneath a shirt cuff. And we are launching another watch in October, which is going to be more of a field watch, and it's going to come in 3 different sizes, different straps, different dial colors, very customizable, also Swiss automatic, so no battery needed. So we are very excited about it.
So my question about your brand is, do you see yourself as a technology brand?
Yes.
Okay, rather than a lifestyle or like a...
No, we are a technology brand, but we are not this addictive technology brand. I mean, everything is technology if you think about it. But whether the technology takes over your life or you control it when you use it, and whether you want to be intentional with it and use it as a tool. It's a tool and nothing for it to be overbearing and take over your life. We've been so conditioned to be constantly connected that it's hard to kind of separate ourselves like, okay, it's time for me to go to bed, I need to go to sleep. I need to put that phone down, I need to stop scrolling. But we've been so conditioned to it. And you mentioned like AI girlfriends and stuff like that. We think it's absurd, but it's actually not, because in the last 10 years, what have we been doing? We've been communicating with faceless bubbles on the screen. Yes, we know them in real life, but we've been kind of conditioned to...
The notifications, automatic emails, all these...
We've been kind of conditioned to communicate with faceless people for the last 10 or so years. So is that a stretch? No, it's not. But that's not what it means to be human. We shouldn't be in front of a screen constantly. We shouldn't be constantly available. You want to be present. But you still want to have modern... I don't want to go back to, the 1970s. You have a rotary phone.
And people need to, get hold of you for whatever reason.
But for mine, like for me, this is mine. This is my pink case. I love my pink case. For mine, it's actually, I love it because I've side-loaded apps.
Yep.
So everything that I need, my little audiobook player, I have a browser, I have Signal, and I have WhatsApp, and that's all I need. I don't need anything else. So even if my friends want to get in touch with me, there's WhatsApp or Signal, text or phone. If I need something, if I need information on the go, I can open a browser.
Can I ask one more thing, which is a technical question about the screen? So is it an e-ink?
It's a genuine e-ink. It's not just ePaper. It's a genuine e-ink. That's why if you go on our website, it has the registered trademark and it's a genuine e-ink.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Oh, there we go, right there. See, genuine e-ink. The registered trademark.
Great. Thank you. And I think, because one thing I was thinking, I opened books on it, and I just felt the screen was maybe that bit too small and maybe not enough customization options with the size of the font.
We are working on that. Our team is working on that. But one of the fun things about this e-ink is, I do everything on it. So
absolutely.
Like I've got books on it, but also I have my boarding passes on it. I travel, so it works. It works with books, it works with other files. I did a test where I traveled to Athens with it, exclusively with my Mudita Kompakt. I wrote about it, and I've had no issues.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. And I've got a full review of the Mudita Kompakt, so if you do want to check that out, then that's this video here. Thanks a lot, Ursula.
No problem.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Bye.